Hey everyone, welcome to this PowerPoint tutorial on how to craft unique prompts with ChatGPT. If you're using ChatGPT, you already have a competitive advantage, but did you know that there are several hidden prompts and formulas that you really need to know about to get the most out of it? At the end of the day, this content will give you another advantage over all the typical "I am a large language model" answer receivers. So let's dive in. First, let's start with a formula to use. Write a length writing prompt on topic in the style of style. And if you see the formula written out like this, it allows you to craft prompts that are completely unique to you. So, let us discuss this formula. The length is the number of words being used. Writing prompts are prompts or cues given to writers to inspire or guide their writing. Examples of this are blogs, essays, reports, journal entries, articles, poems, or songs. The topic is just what you want the writing to be about. The style of writing is about the different types of writing styles such as narrative writing, descriptive writing, expository writing, persuasive writing, creative writing, objective writing, subjective writing, review writing, poetic writing, and technical writing. Not only this, but it can also be written in the style of a certain author. This is really the key to creating unique prompts. Here are 3 examples that I am going to show you so you can see how it is done. So the first one that I will do. Write a 100-word blog on how to make money online in the style of persuasive writing. Next. Write a 200-word essay on money in the style of John Maynard Keynes. Next. Write a 50-word poem on the internet in the style of Shakespeare. And there you have it. With these tips and tricks, you can elevate your use of ChatGPT to the next level. Thanks for tuning into this PowerPoint tutorial on how to craft unique prompts with ChatGPT. If you want to learn how to use ChatGPT to your advantage, you'll need this information to help you, so save this page for future reference for more short videos.